everybody, welcome to the channel. This is JK Hool here. I hope you're having a fantastic day today, as we are. This video I thought we'd take you out in a truck and go for a drive and show you guys what the truck can do and how it does and anything else we need to refine. And just show you how pretty Tennessee is. So one thing I am going to show you guys for sure is, you see on other YouTube channels like the California Canyons or crazy roads, I've got something to show you in Tennessee. So, as I always do, Magic of Hollywood, 1, 2, 3, you're going to be in the truck. Alright folks, this truck handles really well, but it does have a tendency when you're moving pretty good, it leans in the curves. So we're going to definitely put front and back sway bars on it to stop that. A lot better feel to it, and it won't give any. Power, we're doing better. It still has to have that custom tuning done to it. Well, he's doing it now. The guy's on vacation, but it's all with Diablo Sport, and then we can fine tune the truck. Just because you know, when you get a vehicle and you take it to a dyno and have them tune it to perfection, what it does on a dyno and what it does on a road is two totally different worlds. It's the same thing when they just tune it by what you say. It's not the same as actually driving the vehicle and seeing what the differences are and getting the best performance out of it. But this video, like I was saying, we've never really had the vehicle and drove it, gave you a feel for it. These F-150s, I've had an Expedition. I had a 2011 Expedition. This truck drives just as good, if not actually better, than the Expedition. A lot more power. Of course, it's a lot less weight. And it shifts extremely well. Right here, we'll get on it a little bit. The transmission response already is huge. It used to do that lag, you know what I'm talking about. It would lag out when you get on it and shift. The shift points have been changed. We still need to be modified better. But the actual shift, when it actually shifts a gear, that is extremely fast. And very, very firm or hard, if you want to call it. I'll slow down in a minute and I'll get on it. I'll actually do a takeoff and show you guys what this thing runs like. But it does, it's really smooth. We've been to Florida and back in this truck, been to Michigan and back in the truck. And here in Tennessee, yes, I do live in Tennessee, in the middle of Tennessee. We've got some of the craziest, most screwed up roads you've ever seen in your life. Right now, I've got this slowpoke in front of me, so I'm kind of limited to what I'm going to do. I don't want to really run anybody over. But the truck does have manual mode. You know, I can shift into manual, then use the button on the column here. I can change gears. I can change gears even in automatic mode. I guess that's what you call it. Go to tow mode. But it runs. Alright, no. I do the turn. That's the, no. We're going to turn turns off and on a couple times. But I do that in Tennessee. In Tennessee, believe it or not, turn signals are optional in vehicles. They don't use them much. Like here. Yes, I know you can't hear the sound. But it's not that loud in here either with the cat pack in it. Even with the cold intake. It sounds really good. I'm going to try to give you guys one here where I can shift it down, see if I can make the pipes blow a little bit for you. Downshift it. I'm going to do this in manual mode. it's a pickup. I don't really expect it to be super loud pop. I'm sorry for the air noise like that, but I can't help that. Oh, by the way, one thing I need to do is give a big shout out to wifey here. Jennifer's controlling the camera for me while I'm driving. If you guys know anywhere you can order what I'm needing is an extension about that long to put on the mount for the window, so the camera's far enough away from the window I can keep it still. Really appreciate if y'all give me the comments, DM me or something, let me know. I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to do this pretty well uncut. These roads, I'm gonna pop back and forth between the videos. You guys see what the roads like. Are just crazy. I mean, they're absolutely insane here. Right now, this road I'm going through is just nuts. And of course, you know, I am in a pickup, so I'm not in a McLaren or nothing where I can hit these curves at 90 miles an hour or nothing like that. But I'm hitting pretty good. I think you can tell I'm moving a little bit. When I come up right here now, some guy really drunk came in through here, okay? There's a spot here. It's literally sharper than a hairpin. They were just absolutely crazy when they did some of these. But yeah, I've got Bridgestone tires on it. It does really well. I mean, I can't complain with this truck. That's why I'm glad you guys are there for the ride along with the journey. As soon as I find a little straight stretch here, I'll stop and we'll do like a launch with it. Find the button, there it is. Turn off traction control. Okay, that one's off. Now let's turn advanced track off. Okay, advanced track off. Now it's going to raise hell at me. Alright, got that set. There we go. Boy, it shifts nice. I hope it gave you a feel of what the truck's like to drive. I know it's kind of a different video. I haven't done a video like this before. So I figured I'd try one like this and just see if y'all like it. And before I go, I'm gonna let you meet the missus. That's the mama, right there. So that's the big boss. That's one I got to answer to all the time. So if you guys don't like the videos, make one to her. She'll definitely yell at me about it and scream at me and give me help. But don't forget, you guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe please. Sorry. But please give us a subscribe, give us a like, and don't forget, we always answer all the emails. And remember, whatever you do,
don't text and drive.
Bingo.
It kills.
See y'all.